Hey guys, so recently I've been getting a lot of interest in regards to my keyboard because it's the very first thing people see whenever I make a video or when friends pop by. So today I'm going to talk about my keyboard. So let me just flip this over quickly. As you can see, this is the Ornata V2. It is a keyboard by Razer. And on your left hand side, my right hand side, you can see there is a fast forward key, a rewind and play and pause key, plus a volume knob that you can just scroll up and down to increase and decrease the volume. And then there's a illuminated lighting background that you can actually adjust in the settings, but as you type, the illuminated background changes from one color to another, and you're probably asking why. Well, for programmers, in order for programmers to stay motivated, I think this is a great integration, this illuminated background, because it keeps them motivated and intrigued and confident and focused on the task, because that is a very big problem over time because of the repetitive nature of our job. It does get a bit, you can easily become demotivated. You do lose confidence over time. So I think the illuminated background, the lighting background, does help to a certain extent. Very comfortable key interface, and then at the same time you can actually adjust the settings of the illuminated background to the frequency that you would like, and to the level of brightness that you would like. And okay, so if you have a look here, there's two stands. There's a longer stand and a shorter stand, and then right at the back you can see this in groove, which is basically some spacing for the wire loom. So whenever you lay the keyboard flat without the footsills, you can see that it doesn't inhibit your ability to type on the keyboard. And when you lay it flat like this, it's pretty solid, it stays on the table. I can type at around 80 to 90 words per minute on the keyboard, but I've seen people type much faster than that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out.